Hello friends. Anjanas Culinary and Art Institute presents Professional Eggless Baking and Icing Workshop.
Learn the art of baking a perfect cake and icing the cake in a professional way. It's 100% vegetarian, it's homemade, everything done from scratch.
Date, 22nd AMP, 23rd of January, Friday AMP, Saturday. Time, 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. and venue, West Saidapet.
Friends, first we will see some of the videos of the baking workshop done by Anjanas Culinary and Art Institute at many places. Let's start.
My secret is I just smile and say live for today. I'm sitting on top of the world, on top of the sun came up and I got us on top of the world. On top of the world. I'm sitting on top of the world, on top of the world. On top of the world. People ask me what my
Okay, now let's talk about the course content. First, sponge cakes. Vanilla, chocolate, flavored, fruit-filled and marble. Second, decorated cakes. German black forest, rich choco truffle, checkered cake, Rosettes cake, glaze or gel cake, upside-down cake, doll cake, diet cake, and exotic white forest. Third, frosting varieties. Fresh cream, buttercream, chocolate cream, and truffle or ganache. Fourth, icing techniques. Nozzles, hands-on, and advanced flowers. Fifth, added attraction. Edible photo cakes, 2 minutes brownies, homemade condensed milk, and homemade tinned fruits and. Sixth, takeaways. Recipe book, tips, tricks, and the secrets of bakery world. For registration, contact Anjana Aaron, 98847717775 or 87788378843. WhatsApp at 98847717775. For more details, visit our social media pages like Facebook page, Anjanas Culinary and Art Institute, Instagram page, Anjanas Culinary and Art Institute, YouTube channel, Anjanas Culinary and Art Institute. Share this video with your family members, friends and WhatsApp groups and in our WhatsApp status.